Welcome to Daily Stoic, where we explore the profound and powerful values of Stoic philosophy together. Today we will delve into an important topic: belief in oneself. Self-belief is not just a fleeting emotion, but a skill that needs to be cultivated, a fundamental mindset that shapes how we perceive life. Believing in yourself is not merely a feeling of pride or confidence. It is a deep understanding of your value and capabilities. When you grasp this, you'll realize that everything you can achieve is largely determined by the level of confidence you have in yourself. This is not confidence born from external validation, but from within, a place no one can take away. Imagine this. How many times have we allowed fear and doubt to hold us back from achieving great things? How many times has our innate potential been stifled by negative thoughts and uncertainty? The fear of failure, rejection, or simply feeling inadequate are invisible barriers that limit us from reaching our full potential. We often don't recognize that a lack of self-belief can quietly sabotage our dreams and goals. Worry gradually creeps in, causing us to delay action, and then we wonder why we haven't made progress. This is the moment you need a turning point, a shift in how you view yourself. Stoic philosophy teaches us that true strength lies in how we control our thoughts, and confidence only comes when you fully understand and accept who you are, both strengths and flaws. In today's challenge, we will explore how to become the best version of yourself, not by avoiding your weaknesses, but by embracing and learning to improve them. When you trust in yourself, you will dare to step outside your comfort zone, face uncertainty, and push through limits you once thought were impossible. Remember, just watching this video is already an important step in improving your life. You have chosen to embark on the Stoic journey, a path that not only helps you confront difficulties, but also guides you to discover your inner strength. If this is your first time here at a Daily Stoic, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe on buttons so you won't miss out on future valuable content. If you find these videos helpful, make sure to click the notification bell to stay updated with new releases. By believing in yourself, you not only give yourself the opportunity to achieve great things, but also allow yourself to live a life of authenticity, courage, and meaning. Continue this journey with our Daily Stoic, and together we will uncover more secrets to developing confidence and mastering your life. To truly understand my self-confidence, we must begin by recognizing that confidence is neither an innate gift nor a state that can be achieved instantly. In reality, it is a continuous process of refinement, a long journey we must undertake through self-awareness and a deep understanding of who we are. True confidence, one, is not an outer shell built upon praise or recognition from others. It is a clear understanding of your true self, your strengths as well as your limitations, and more importantly, the ability to accept them with self-respect and serenity. Stoic philosophy conveys a profound message about cultivating confidence from within. This confidence is not rooted in compliments or external approval, but in the certainty within yourself about your value and abilities. The question is, how can we achieve such confidence? Epictetus, one of the great Stoic philosophers, emphasized that we should not be overly concerned with things outside our control. Insecurity and lack of confidence often arise when we focus on factors we have no power over, such as the thoughts and reactions of others or random events in life. Worrying and obsessing over things we cannot change only makes us weaker and more dependent on external circumstances. Instead, Stoicism teaches us to focus on what we can control: our attitudes, thoughts, and actions. Mastering and managing these elements is what creates true confidence, because you understand that no matter what happens in life, you can always control your response. This mindset not only helps you face challenges with calm, but also makes you more resilient in any situation. Confidence, from a Stoic perspective, is not something static. It is flexibility and adaptability, the willingness to face life's inevitable challenges without being overwhelmed by them. Once you grasp this, you'll realize that strength does not come from trying to control the world around you, but from shaping your inner world, where your thoughts, emotions, and actions can be transformed and adapted to meet any circumstance. When you fully understand yourself and the things you can control, confidence will no longer be elusive. It becomes the belief that no matter how life unfolds, you will have the capability and wisdom to make the right decisions and live according to your principles. And that is true confidence, something that no one can take away from you. In Stoic philosophy, confidence is not a fixed state, but an ongoing process of self-discovery and self-acceptance. It stems from a simple yet powerful idea. You must be realistic with yourself. This is an essential aspect of confidence, where you face your true nature, your deep beliefs, and your genuine desires in life. When you live according to your core values, instead of trying to meet the expectations of others, you will begin to feel a profound sense of inner peace. This is a mental state that is not disturbed by outside judgments because you are living authentically, not for fame, not to please the crowd, but to satisfy your own inner contentment. This stability is the foundation of real confidence. Stoic philosophy emphasizes that self-reflection and self-assessment are essential parts of building confidence. It's not just about acknowledging different aspects of yourself, but also going deeper, questioning your values, beliefs, and actions. When you take the time to reflect, you begin to identify areas for improvement while also feeling proud of what you've done well. This is not an act of self-blame or criticism, but rather a process of continuous learning and growth, helping you overcome self-doubt. The true strength of confidence does not lie in avoiding failure, but in how you confront and learn from it. According to Stoic philosophy, failure is not something to avoid or fear, but rather a precious gift of experience. Every failure is an opportunity to train, to learn, and to grow. Instead of dodging failure, face it with courage and see it as a lesson, a chance to become stronger. Every challenge you encounter in life is a step forward on your path to maturity. However, confidence cannot be built through thoughts or words alone. It must be nurtured through real actions. The Stoics affirm that thought without action is never enough. True confidence comes when you dare to face your fears, make bold decisions, and live consistently with your values. It is the courageous actions you take every day that help you develop an enduring, unshakable confidence. In the journey of discovering and building confidence, knowing yourself is always the first step. Stoic philosophy encourages not only self-awareness, but also urges us to dive deep into our true nature, to understand what truly matters within. Looking inward is not just about analysis. It's a journey of undiscovering your true essence. Not just your strengths, but also your weaknesses. When you truly understand and accept even the imperfections within yourself, that's when genuine confidence begins to flourish. Take a moment to reflect on how you respond to difficulties. Do you often react hastily and impulsively, or do you pause to consider and act according to your core values? Confidence grows from the choices you make every day. From the moments you choose to live authentically rather than according to others' expectations. It is through honesty and consistency in even the smallest actions that you gradually build a solid foundation for long-lasting confidence. Finally, the strength of confidence lies in acting according to your beliefs. Every day, every time you act with sincerity, no matter how challenging or unfavorable the situation, you gradually reinforce your confidence, not just in yourself, but in the life you are creating. Accepting what you cannot change is one of the core principles of Stoic philosophy. Stoicism teaches that life doesn't always go according to our desires, and much of what happens around us is beyond our control. Epictetus, the great Stoic philosopher, pointed out that what truly matters is not the events that happen to you, but how you respond to them. When we accept our limitations, we stop being consumed by what cannot be changed and begin to focus our attention on what we can control. This helps us free up mental and emotional energy to invest in improving ourselves and our lives. Focusing on what truly matters is a decisive element in living according to Stoic philosophy. As Marcus Aurelius once said, "Our life is what our thoughts make it." When you concentrate on what genuinely brings value to your life, you avoid unnecessary distractions. This focus creates a solid foundation for personal growth. Instead of being swept away by meaningless worries or negative thoughts, you choose to focus on what holds deep significance, helping you improve every day. Inner strength is not an innate quality that everyone possesses, but rather the result of patience and practice. Stoic philosophy teaches that every hardship in life is an opportunity for us to become stronger. Instead of avoiding or fearing challenges, view them as valuable lessons. Each time you face difficulties and overcome them, you not only build inner strength, but also create lasting self-confidence. Like a rock standing firm against the waves, your resilience is shaped through your encounters with adversity. Humility is an important virtue in Stoicism, and it is not a sign of weakness, but rather a gateway to endless opportunities for learning. When you are humble, you recognize that no one can know everything, and every person you meet has something to teach you. Epictetus once said, "He who knows that he knows nothing is the wisest of all." Practicing humility allows you to be more open to the knowledge and experiences of others, which not only helps you grow, but also builds confidence based on deep and practical understanding. Knowing and living by your personal values is a key step in developing lasting confidence. Stoic philosophy emphasizes that a meaningful life begins with being honest with yourself. True confidence doesn't just come from recognizing your worth, but from acting in accordance with your values daily. When you live authentically and consistently with what you believe in, you develop an unwavering confidence, a confidence that comes from living true to your nature, no matter the external circumstances. Daily gratitude is one of the essential practices for maintaining confidence and inner peace. Marcus Aurelius advised, "When you arise in the morning, think of what a privilege it is to be alive, to breathe, to think, to enjoy, to love." Begin each day with gratitude for the small things in life, a crisp morning, a loved one's smile, or a quiet moment of reflection. Gratitude not only nurtures a positive mindset, but also reinforces the belief that you are living a meaningful life. Building confidence through Stoic philosophy is not a quick or easy journey, but it is one of steady and authentic growth. As you practice Stoic principles, from accepting what you cannot change, focusing on what matters, building inner strength, to practicing humility and gratitude, you will not only develop confidence, but also cultivate a strong spirit, ready to face life's challenges. The journey toward true confidence. It begins with small steps, but each step brings you more strength and peace. Daily Stoic will always be there to accompany you on this path, helping you cultivate resilience, humility, and live according to your values, leading to a life of deeper meaning. Conclusion. Building confidence through Stoic philosophy is a profound journey, not just of personal development, but also of discovering the true nature of life. It is not an easy or quick road, but rather a process of persistence and continuous practice that demands you embody resilience, humility, and living true to your values. Yet it is through these difficulties and challenges that you gain mental strength and stability that no material success or external achievement can provide. Resilience. In Stoicism is not merely the ability to endure hardship, but a more proactive attitude that sees challenges and difficulties as opportunities to train and grow. It's the capacity to view obstacles not as roadblocks, but as stepping stones toward becoming stronger and wiser. Resilience doesn't come from avoiding or defeating every hardship, but from learning to stand firm in the face of whatever life throws your way. Humility is an essential trait for anyone seeking to gain deeper understanding of themselves and the world. When you are humble, you recognize that your knowledge and power are limited. And this does not weaken you, but opens the door for continuous learning and growth. Humility keeps your mind open, ready to learn from others, from your own failures, and from situations that may seem unfavorable. By acknowledging your own limitations, you value every opportunity to improve. and this becomes the foundation of genuine confidence. Living according to personal values is the core of long-lasting confidence. You may face change, opposition, or even failure, but if you consistently act in alignment with the principles and value you believe in, you will never feel lost. These values become your internal compass, guiding you to make wise decisions and providing a deep sense of inner peace. Remember how true confidence does not come from living to please others, but from living in alignment with who you truly are, the person you aspire to become.